Good morning, folks. Meet me in a traditional child's pose with your knees to touch. Round your spine over your thighs. Hands by your feet, palms face up. Nice gentle stretch to that backside body. It can be a little tight in the morning. And check in with your breath. And take a few more full breaths. And soften through your chest, through your shoulders. Allow your shoulders and arms to melt off of your thighs. And last deep breath. And bring your hands beneath your shoulders. Slowly push yourself up. All the way up to a hero's pose. Bring your hands to heart center. Option to close your eyes. Just setting an intention for the rest of your day. And shout out some gratitude for another day, another opportunity, another breath. And blink your eyes open. And ground your hands on your thighs. We're going to slowly make our way up to a standing position. First, tuck your toes and push yourself up into a forward fold. Take it slow. Feet hips width distance. Take a halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. One more like that. Inhale, halfway. This time, grab your elbows. Exhale, ragdoll. Let it go. Option for a little sway. Side to side, breathe. Option for a little bob up and down. Couple more breaths here. Allowing the full weight of your head to just hang. Let the neck go, soften. Couple more deep breaths. Staying bound at your elbows. On your next inhale, begin to roll up the left side. Inhale, sunflower to the top. Exhale, down the right side. Full breath out. One more in that direction. Inhale, up the left. Exhale, down the right. Now switch directions. Inhale, up the right. Open up. Exhale, down the left. One more in that direction. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Breathe. Stay at the bottom. Release your bind. Halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Next inhale, rise to stand, arms up, breath in. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a breath here. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, right arm down your side body, left arm reaches over. We're here for a couple breaths. Soften your knees a bit. Squeeze your thighs and push down through your feet, rooted. Breath in. Breath out, reach a little further. One more breath here. Exhale, reach. Inhale, back to center, arms reach up. Exhale, take the other side, left arm down, right arm reach, and breathe. Keep the gaze up. Stay grounded, thighs tight, soft knees, ground feet. Breath in, breath out, reach. One more breath. Stay for the exhale, reach. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, hands to heart. Switching it up here. Right arm to the top right corner. Same time, left arm to the bottom left corner. Think of a box. Right hand, right corner, left arm, left corner. Both arms reach apart. Feel that expansion across your chest. Take a breath in. Exhale, hands back to center. Let's take that on the other side. Right arm, bottom right corner. Left arm, top left corner, like an X. Breathe and reach both arms apart. Active reach across your chest. Breath in, reach. Exhale, hands to heart center. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, swan dive all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, length. Exhale, crawl forward to a plank and drop to your knees, tabletop. Inhale, cow pose, open up. Exhale, cat pose, round it out. Inhale, cow, extension. Exhale, cat, flexion. Take a couple more on your own, adding any movement you like with your hips, spine, neck, wrists, all good. Last 2 rounds of breath. Anything you need here. One more. Inhale, gaze up, tuck your toes. Exhale, hips high, down dog. Walk out your dog, shift your weight. Breathe. Take a slightly shortened down dog, setting up for a little twist. Left hand to the center of your mat. Right hand to the outside of your left shin or ankle. Breathing into that twist. Shift your gaze up past your armpit. One more full breath. And back to center. Switch it out. Right hand to center. Left hand to right shin or ankle. Breathe into that spine. For one more full breath. And back to center. One breath. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, walk your way up. Feet hips width. Chair pose. Drop your hips. Arms high. Breathe. Playing your edge. We're just here for a few breaths. Drop your hips low. Not lower than 90 degrees. Get those thighs parallel with your mat. Squeeze them tight. Core tight. Breath in. Breath out. Inhale to stand. Reach up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus. Open up, lift your heart. Inhale, reach high. Exhale, right arm down, left arm reach. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, take the other side, reach. Inhale, center. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, right arm high, left arm low, reach. Exhale, back to center. Other side, inhale, X, left arm high, right arm low. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, sit back down, chair pose. Stay for the inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, step your right foot back to low lunge. Simple twist here. Ground your right hand or fist. Inhale, left arm high, twist. Exhale, slowly back down. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down. 1 more slow. Inhale, twist. Exhale, back down. Ground that back heel, setting up for warrior 1. Get the length, adjust until you feel a stretch in your legs. Get the width, heel toe that left foot out. Think train tracks, hips square, left hip back, arms high. Breath in, breath out. Warrior 1. We're grounded through that back heel. Gaze, focus straight ahead. Drop your shoulders, tuck your chin, squeeze your thighs. Breath in, breath out. 1 more, inhale. Stay for the exhale, tighter squeeze. Inhale, straighten both legs, reach up. Exhale, pyramid pose, hinge from your hips. Option to shorten your stance a bit. Breathe. Stay square in your hips though. Get that width, pull the left hip back. Option to flex your left foot, or you could give your head a little shake, let the neck go. Breathe. Here for a couple more. Full breaths. And reground your left foot. We're just going to pivot to the back of your mat. Pivot to the right. Prasarita. Pivot to the back. Into a low lunge facing the back now. Setting up for that simple twist. Inhale, right arm high. Exhale, back down. 2 more like that. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down. Last one. Inhale the twist. Exhale, back down. Ground that back heel, left heel down. Warrior 1. Again, facing the back. Arms high. Make any adjustments with your feet. Find that Goldilocks length and width. Hips square, right hip back. Breathe. Squeeze your core and your thighs. Breath in. Breath out. Find that gaze, focused gaze, straight ahead. 2 more breaths. Last one here. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, straighten both legs, reach back. Exhale, pyramid, hinge forward. Option to shorten that stance. Breathe it out. Head heavy, let it go. Option to give your head a gentle shake. Or you can flex that right foot for the added stretch. Few breaths here. Keeping that same depth in breath. Send it towards the tension. Couple more. Reground that right foot. And a pivot to the left. Prasarita. Toes in, heels out. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, Prasarita. Again, toes shift in, heels shift out. We're here for several breaths, head below heart. You can grab the outside edges of your feet or reach your arms through your legs. Inversion if that's calling. Be here for a few more deep breaths. Try to keep that depth through the practice. Last one. If you took that inversion easy coming down, bring your hands beneath your shoulders. Halfway lift, inhale, length. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale back to halfway. Exhale, skandasana to the right. Bend your right knee, left leg straight. Keep your hands grounded, slow it down. Okay, if that back heel doesn't quite make it down, breathe into the tension, calf, hamstring, hips. Send breath. Couple more. Reground your hands slowly to Prasarita, halfway inhale. Exhale, skandasana to the front. Bend that left knee, right leg straight. Breathe. Slow it down. I'm here for a few. Feel the difference left to right. And reground your hands slowly back to Prasarita, halfway. Take a breath. And exhale, pivot to the front. Low lunge, step forward and drop down to a seat. There's some windshield wipers here, side to side. And we'll meet in a bridge pose. Feet flat, knees bent. Lift your hips. Interlace your hands behind your back. Stack your shoulder blades to touch. Breathe. Pushing down through your feet. Lift your hips higher, 1 inch higher. Squeeze a little tighter glutes. Thighs squeeze. A 1/2 inch higher lift. One more breath, you got it. And release all the way down. Knees cave in to touch. Take a breath. And coming into Supta Baddha Konasana. Knees out wide. Feet to touch. One hand over your belly, the other over your heart. And bringing your awareness to your breath. And coming back to your intention. Take that with you through the day. And taking one more full breath in together. And an open mouth exhale. One more like that. Fully in. Empty out. Nice. Thank you for joining. All the best today. Share love. See you next time.